Hey everyone, tonight I'm going to show you a Lego Beehive I made. This is a bottom board, and you can see there are Legos everywhere. People ask how many Legos it took, and I have no idea. It was so many. It was a lot. This is a hive body. I kind of did this on the fly, so the Legos didn't match up completely perfectly, and to give them a little more support, I put silicone, like caulking, on the outside of the hive, not inside, so it doesn't touch the bees. But you can see here how some of it, here it's tight, and here it gets kind of loose. And then there's silicone there, and it keeps it nice and sturdy. I have these little edges here where the hive body can go up against those to keep it nice and even throughout. This is the landing board. Might be a little too colorful for the bees, but I think it will work. I have also a super I did as well. So right now I have bottom board, hive body, super, and actually I'll take this off and get to that next. And there's an inner cover. I had to actually add the inner cover after I was done because I didn't plan ahead. This has to be as wide as everything else to except the top cover. So I made, you can see things like this. I put a little exit out here for them so the bees can leave. And here's the top cover. This thing it is heavy. So the top cover, you can see I just kind of did lots of different whatever laying around. Made a little horse pasture and a mountain with a bear, and there's the little beekeeper in the middle, some honey jars. And these I did not stick on, so they come off. I'm sure during a storm or something they would. But I made it so we can, the kids and I did this, and we can reconfigure it however we want. This is not, obviously, not deployed out in the apiary yet. Before I do that, unfortunately, I have to build another hive body and super, so I have enough for the bees as they expand, because if not, it's going to be all weird, because I'm going to put another have to put a super or a hive body in between this hive body and the super, and it's just going to look weird because there's going to be a big gap. So it's not, technically it could work as a beehive right now. I do have a lot more work, but this was a ton of work and a lot of money, so it will probably wait a little bit until this is complete. Thanks for watching.